Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix your Tecno Sonic 1 earpod. If it's not working, if any of the ear is not working, then this is the video for you. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the ear that is not working. As you can see right here, it's not on, and you can see this second one, you can see it's on right now. All right, you can see it's on right now. This one is not on. So I'm going to show you how to fix your Tecno Sonic 1 earpod. So what you need to do is to get a cotton board, and bring one out of your cotton board. Then you also need spirits. All right, we're going to be using spirits for this. As you can see right here, this is my mentholated spirit right here. So I'm going to pour a little spirit inside the cover of this mentholated spirit. Then if you're actually watching the video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel so you can enjoy more quality tech videos. All right, so right now I've done that. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and put the cotton board inside this mentholated spirit so it can soak just a little bit. And once it's soaked, then what you want to do is to take the earpod. So I take the earpod, then if you look at it, take note of the metallic surface for charging this earpod is located right here for Tecno Sonic 1, and you can see right here, this is it right here. So we're gonna rub it with spirit, then rub it with spirit. You can do that, just do that again, then rub it with spirit, then rub it with spirit, then you keep it there, let it dry, then take the other one, rub it with spirit and rub it with spirit. Then once you are done, take the charging case, then do it again. We're going to be cleaning inside of the earpod this time around. All right, we're going to clean it inside of the earpod and put it into the charging case. Put both earpods into the charging case. So I'll cover it right now. So as you can see right here, it's charging right now. You can see it's charging. You can see right here, you can see it is charging. Both are actually charging right now. So if you bring it out, you will notice it's working. Same for the other one too, it's working.